What's up, guys? Good morning. Grab your coffee. Let's get right into it. Today is the day, right? Today is the day we get the news if there is going to be a reverse stock split, and also if there's going to be an increase on the common stock shares from 1.7 billion to 5 billion. So what did you vote for? Guys, of course, like and subscribe. I truly appreciate you guys. This channel has been growing. Join the free Discord down below. We have an amazing community. Also, guys, join the Twitter. I just made this account. Give me a follow. It's at Business Dad with 3 S's. I'll put it down below. Don't forget, WEBULL right now until December 31st is giving you free money. So I look at this like if I create a WEBULL account, that's free money in my pocket. I can keep those shares. I could sell those shares and buy Mullen shares. But if you deposit any money, like $5 or whatever it might be, they could give you up to $3,000 in free stocks. See below. You know what to do. All right, let's get into this. Guys, before I get into the news, this is even bigger news. So I was looking at the charts and I was looking at EV stocks. Mullen, Tesla, NIO, Lucid, Rivian. And I wanted to see what had the highest return in the last 30 days from November 22nd to December 22nd. And guess which one it was? Of course, it was Mullen. Almost 13% you would have gotten on your investment if you invested 30 days ago. Now, of course, we have swings, highs and lows, all the above. But what I'm trying to show you is look at this company compared to all the other companies. Tesla, negative 27%. The only next company is NIO. Lucid, negative 32%. Rivian, negative 31%. That is crazy. Mullen stock alert. Is a reverse stock split coming from Mullen? Mullen stockholders will vote on a reverse stock split in a range from between 1 to 2 or 1 for 25. NASDAQ has given the company a deadline of March 6 to achieve a price of $1, although Mullen will likely be eligible to file a 180-day extension. So this is really good news, guys, because we have time. It's not like they have to make a decision tomorrow, right? Or next week. We have until March, which gives us another 3 months, which is really good news for us because we have a lot of good news coming, which could push us over $1 before the reverse stock split needs to happen. Yes, I am my own sponsor, guys. Don't forget to check out the Patreon down below. I made a video yesterday. There were 9 spots. There's only 6 remaining. We have 23 members right now. We have an awesome community on Discord. We talk a lot about mindset, leveling up in every single area of your life this next year in 2023. And of course, we talk about Mullen and we do deep dives on the chart analysis. Tomorrow, Mullen Automotive will hold its special meeting of stockholders. Shareholders will vote on a total of 4 proposals as the proposal to move Mullen State of Incorporation to Maryland from Delaware was withdrawn. Okay, proposal number 1 and number 2 seem to be the most significant. Number 1 seeks to enact a reverse stock split amendment in a range between 1 for 2 and 1 for 25. However, the proposal's verbiage is confusing. So let's talk about that for a second. If a reverse stock split happens, what is going to happen to the stock? That's what everyone's concern is, right? And we can look at other companies that did a reverse stock split and what happened to them. One example would be Cosm. We saw what happened. It ran up right away from a reverse stock split. Now, I think that was a fluke. I don't think that would happen with Mullen per se. But what I would say is I think it would be unfortunate in the short term. I think we could have a run, but then I think we could have a pullback. And if you're part of the Patreon, you understand what I've been talking about with where the trend is going, right? With the reverse stock split in the long run, I think it's okay. It's good. We don't want to get delisted, right? So they put the reverse stock split on the table just in case maybe we get close to being delisted. They could do the reverse stock split and boom, we're over $1. Now, the good news from this is more investors would probably invest in Mullen. The bad news is retail will sell. Short sellers will probably short more Mullen because they know people are fearful because of the reverse stock split. So for me, I got a trading bag, I got a long-term bag, and we talk about it on this channel. Mullen states that it would not file proposal number 1 prior to the later of March 6, 2023 and 180 days after such date. March 6 holds significance as that is the NASDAQ imposed deadline for shares of Mullen stock to trade at a minimum price of $1 for 10 consecutive days. So again, we have some time, which I'm still bullish on, okay? Now, when the reverse stock split happens, I might become a little bearish, and that's why I do what I do. I have the long-term bag for the long run, but in the short term, there might be some trading opportunities to accumulate more Mullen shares. If Mullen fails to satisfy the requirement, it can apply for another 180-day extension, so that's good news. As long as Mullen provides written notice to the NASDAQ of its intention to cure the deficiency during the second compliance period of effecting a reverse stock split. A failure to satisfy the dollar minimum price during the second compliance period could result in delisting from the exchange. So exactly what I'm saying. That's why the reverse stock split is on the table, because we don't want to get delisted. That would be horrible. I would way rather have a reverse stock split than have even a slight chance of getting delisted. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Furthermore, proposal number 1 states that the company may enact a reverse split at any time before December 1st, 2023, if shareholders reject proposal number 2. Proposal number 2 seeks to increase the number of authorized common stock to 5 billion. This is not what we want. From 1.75 billion. That is an increase of 185%. Proposal number 2 foreshadows the continuation of shareholder dilution, which is true. So there would be more diluting. So I don't want that to happen. That would start to make me question my position on Mullen in the short term, okay? Because we've already seen what happened from dilution, right? It's a very annoying process. So what I think will happen, I think the reverse stock split will get approved, okay? I don't think they'll do a reverse stock split until March, when they absolutely have to, if we're still not over $1. And I think, and I'm hoping proposal number 2 does not get approved. Because again, they even said if it doesn't get approved, they could do a reverse stock split at any time before December 2023. I'm totally fine with that. I just don't want proposal number 2 to get approved. What do you guys think is gonna happen? Put in the comments below your thoughts. I really want to know what you're thinking. I wanna grow this community. I obviously wanna grow this channel. We wanna get more retail into Mullen stock. So make sure you like this video. It makes YouTube go crazy and send it to everyone. So like the video, subscribe if you're not yet. We make Mullen videos every single day. Appreciate you all. I'm praying for us today. I hope it's a green day. I hope we get some good news. Have a great weekend. Happy holidays. Enjoy your time this weekend.